Hello and welcome back to Forgotten Era. I have a great news update. Well, the shotgun that I'm restoring, this double barrel shotgun, I have been able to fully rebuild and repair both mechanisms. They both operate. I tested them. I'll do a short on their operation. I use a crescent wrench for the meantime, but I don't want to use it too much. Got them all oiled. I have been able to remove the retaining caps, or the firing pin retainers, and I cannot believe that I've been able to remove them, because that means I am one step closer to restoring this fabulous firearm, which God knows how old it is. Like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.